Hi, Andrew Camphy here with Better Sheets, helping you make better sheets every single day. In the last video, I showed you 5 ways to fix your sheets. Here's 5 more ways to fix your sheets right now. You change the font color, now change the background color. We're going to select the entire background. We're going to hit the paint bucket, custom. Instead of FFF, which is the whitest white, we're going to change it to Facebook Fate. And now we have this wonderful paperish color. We've decreased the font shade. We've increased the background shade. We now have low contrast sheet that we can stare at for hours. One extra thing you can do with tables, if you do have tables of data and you miss those grid lines, is you can create alternating colors. You can do this programmatically in Google Sheets, but I'm going to do this by hand because I want full control over this. All we have to do is a couple of lines, and then we can copy and paste the formatting all the way down. Click copy, right click, paste special, format only, and then we can select all of the rows and Command Y to do it again. And there we go. We have alternating colors and we have full control over what colors it is. Number 3, the third thing, we want to bring attention to certain columns. Different columns have different needs and different importance. One easy way to decrease the importance of a column is to make sure it is only as wide as it needs to be. If you go to the right side of a column, double click on the little divider, it will change the width to allow the maximum width it needs to be and no more. So if we have a wide column like this, we double click at the divider on the right and it decreases, or it may increase. If you have one cell with a lot of text, it may increase. Number 4, if you have a header column that you want to stick at the top, as you scroll, you don't want it to disappear, we can go to View, Freeze, one row, and now the header doesn't disappear. But we can do more. We can do the column as well. Now we have a frozen column and a frozen row, which brings me to number 5. This is the biggest pet peeve of mine of any sheet. Delete unused columns and rows. Let me show you how. Go to the last column you need. Click and select the entire column. Hold down on your keyboard, Shift and Command, and hit the right arrow. You're going to highlight every single column to the right. Right click and delete those columns. We're going to do the same for the rows. We're going to go to the final row we want. Select the entire row by clicking on the number of the row. Again, we're going to do Shift, Command. We're going to hold down those keys, and then we're going to hit the down arrow. Right click and delete row. Now your sheet is looking sweet. Don't make any sheets, make better sheets.